Hello, thanks for dropping in. This is a horse. It's a horse. I would like to think of it as a sneezing horse. It could have been a yawning horse, but I think it was a sneezing horse. It was indeed a cold morning. It was. And once again, I was on my way, actually in this case, to Moor Falls in Ontario, when I was approaching Argyll and I saw this collection of horses. So I pulled over. I did not, I didn't go into their area or into their pen or anything else. I just stood by the side of the road, shot a few pictures, and indeed this horse managed to sneeze. He did. Or she did. Anyway, if you shoot pictures, keep shooting pictures. Don't give up. Keep shooting. Train your eye. That's what matters. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.